back. Stay. Hola.
Hello, everybody.
And welcome.
Welcome to our channel. It's day 7.
Day 7.
Welcome, folks. Hey!
Okay, we don't want this to be too long, so we're just gonna grab day 7.
Just getting into
There
it.
show you, folks.
Day 7.
Day 7.
Open that ish up.
All right.
Why you got a letter?
It
Open
ended
the
up on
thing.
the table. Okay. Spa day.
What up?
Woo! We got a spa day today. Well, it's more like a spa, like a couple hours, because you have an event in like what? 3 hours. So a spa 3 hours. Let's go. So we have these Nickelodeon slime face masks, I guess.
I have the same exact one, but I'm going to do it because I felt left out.
So yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Alright. So if for some reason there's makeup that I slept in, I'm getting that ish off. Alright, my face is fully clean.
Clean.
And now, put down mask on.
Time to put mask on. And here we go, folks. Oh. Oh.
Oh. Okay.
I don't like how it smells. It literally smells like putty.
Oh yeah, it does. It's weird. Look at it, it's pink.
I feel like this is going to clog your pores.
Oh, most likely. Let's do it. Oh gosh.
Oh, God. We might need just one.
Ready?
No, it's super runny.
Oh, goodness. Oh, I already feel it in my hair.
Oh, watch your eyes!
We had to pause because Tilly wanted to go outside. So, I feel it dripping down my face. Look at them eyebrows. Treat, treat, treat. Treat time. It's treat time.
You want to know, Fawn? Can we show everybody how great our dog is?
Yeah, she's pretty dope.
Ready, Tilly? Ready? Stop. Sit. Good girl. Lay down. Good girls. Ready? Spin. Do it better. Do it better. Spin. There you go. Sit. Gentle. Good girl.
Hey. And we continue on. So there it is, folks. Oh,
You have been slimed.
I have been slimed.
My turn.
And I think we used like maybe half, so we're not even gonna need this one.
Nope. It's a double use.
Dope. Alright, Polly's turn. So Tilly wanted to join in.
Hi, baby. YouTube, this is my beautiful dog, Tilly.
Hi guys.
Say hi, Tilly. She's my best friend.
Oh man.
Sorry, Nick.
Do you want some masks too?
Back to my face mask.
Ready?
No. No, I don't like it. I literally feel it just like...
Yep.
Folks, I don't like this kind of stuff. I'll do like sheet masks with her, but this clay stuff...
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Tilly! Oh, at least she laid down.
Yeah. Just don't move, Till.
It is very cold and slightly burning at the same time.
Right. I told you it was burning. I mean, mine didn't burn right away though. Like right now, it just feels very cold.
No, that was really cold when you put it on my cheek. Yeah, you feel it running down your face.
Right. It feels so weird. Is it going in your nose?
Just for the record, I'm not having a good time. It's dripping.
Where?
And it's so uncomfortable. By my nose.
Where? Here?
Mm-hmm. There it is, folks. Wow, you were really generous.
That's what it said. Alright. So, I'm going to turn this a little bit. Hello.
Oh, wow.
So it says to keep these on for 15 to 20 minutes. and it's like hardening on my face. I feel it. So now we wait.
I'm having a miserable time. This is minute number 3. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the next 12. Feels like it's crawling by.
Alright, so it's been like maybe a half an hour for me. So it says to wipe it off with a warm cloth. There's Polly dancing in the background. Alright, so I'm gonna wipe this stuff off. You like my unibrow?
Yeah.
Tilly's like whining in every video. She kept trying to like eat everything. So we have to keep putting her in a crate. So this isn't really a spa day, it was more like a face mask day. But I guess that's kind of a spa. Usually spas are enjoyable. This one was not so much. Oh man. Alright, so I think I got a majority of it off. My face is still red. Oh, I forgot my eye.
Get out!
Going a little mad. So I got mine off, and I don't know. It doesn't feel like it feels like I missed the spot.
I missed it.
Does it feel like it was moisturized or anything? No.
My face feels dry.
It feels very dry.
Super dry.
It just feels worse. It feels worse than it actually was.
I've never had my face feel like this before, and I hate it.
Like it feels like it's in my pores. I feel like it's definitely gonna destroy my face.
I'm gonna break out
It's
so bad.
gonna destroy my face.
So look at my hair, guys.
I'd say it looks pretty good now. He's worn a hat like almost every day.
'Cause it's cold. It's
Because
cold.
he was bald.
Literally bald. Shout out to my friend Kayla. So she's like, we gotta talk about your videos. Like, you're like bald. Like, bald. And you know what? I agree. I was bald.
Yeah.
This is where I typically get my hair cut in the first place. Like, this is the
Up to here, yeah. Well, there you go. Now I made it last longer, so you don't have to get a haircut.
A whole extra week. But I'm breezing. Not worth it.
It's been longer than a week. It's been almost
Actually kind of worth it.
been almost 2 weeks.
We saved like $23.
Yeah. Anyways, that was awful. Don't ever do it. It sucked. I mean, it was only $1 per thing, but I mean, we got 2 masks out of it, so it was $1 for both of us. But either way, don't do it. It sucked.
Don't do it at all.
Ever. Okay, well, I think that's it. That was day 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also the number of my company. You should go on Facebook and like it. And if you guys have a party coming up, give me a holler. That's right. Level 7 Entertainment.
Oh, good.
DJ Pauly B. Didn't
Not
realize I was going to do a plug. Just kind of came out organically. And that's a wrap.
All right. Well, hope you guys enjoyed, because we definitely didn't. So
Like button, subscribe button, hit them, do it. Do it.
Ow. Bye, guys.